Namaste. I'm Dr. Sunita, consultant radiation oncologist at Aster Whitefield. Today, I'll be talking to you regarding intraoperative electron radiation therapy, that is IOERT. IOERT is delivery of single, precise, high dose of radiation to the tumor bed inside the operation theater itself during the surgery. We have been using this for some of the common malignancies like colorectal cancers, CA pancreas, breast malignancies, sarcomas, both rectoperitoneal sarcomas and soft tissue sarcomas, as well as oligometastatic cases and re-irradiation cases. The advantage of IOERT is being directly visualizing the tumor bed during surgery, avoiding geographic miss which can happen during the oncoplastic reconstructive procedures. Also, the OARs or the surrounding critical structures can be spared accurately because they can be pushed away from the surgical bed manually by the surgeon so that we can deliver high dose of radiation only to the tumor bed. It also has its own biological effects like well oxygenated tissue during surgery allows for better effect of radiation in an oxygenated tissue, as well as the high dose of radiation delivered during surgery prevents the repopulation of any submicroscopic cells which can be present in the tumor bed, which can repopulate between the surgery and the adjuvant radiation. With IOERT, we can escalate the dose to the tumors. For example, sarcoma, retroperitoneal sarcomas and CA pancreas, where we will not be able to deliver high adequate dose of radiation to these tumors because of the critical structures like bowel or the intestines in these areas, where IOERT allows us for dose escalation. Whereas in case of CA breast, where we deliver as boost as accelerated partial breast irradiation, that is APBI, in pancreas and retroperitoneal sarcomas, IOERT allows for dose escalation. In case of CA breast, we deliver IOERT in two settings. First, as a boost, where we'll be delivering only radiation to the tumor bed in addition to external beam radiation, where the number of sittings of external beam radiation can be reduced. As a part of accelerated partial breast irradiation or APBI, when we deliver the IOERT, there is no need to deliver external beam radiation. The whole of the radiation finishes inside the OT itself in selected early breast cancer patients. So this is the advantage of IOERT. Wherever we want to escalate the dose, we can escalate the dose, and we can also use it to reduce the number of sessions of external beam radiation, and in some few cases we can as well avoid the external beam radiation just by giving IOERT inside the operation theater itself. Thank you.